In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a photo a circle here in Canva. So I have this photo just here, and let's go and make this circle shaped instead of square shaped. Now what I'm about to share with you will also work for Canva's photos or any photos that you upload yourself. But what we want to do is utilize Canva's frames, which are just here. Now to find these, we can simply type in frames or circle frame right here in the search bar, or when you come over to the elements, just scroll down because it's going to be this one just here. Now if we click on there, this is where we're going to input that photo into this frame. So let's come back up to here, and this is the photo. What we can do is simply drag this into the frame just like that. If we want to delete this, we can click on and just click delete just like that. Or if we click onto the image, we can then put it on the canvas and then put it into the frame. Now we can also adjust this, so if we double click onto the image, we can then crop this and move to wherever we want as well. And we can also add a border on this circle as well. So if we click onto the frame with the image in it, come up to here to this toolbar, we're going to see this border style. If we click on there, we can choose a few different border style settings with dashed and solid. Let's go with solid. We can play around with that border weight just like that as well, and we can also change the border color by coming here and choosing any of the default colors, default gradients, or we can click onto this little plus icon and add our own hex color code just here. Then we can download this as a transparent background. So let's just go ahead and get rid of this background just like that. Then we come up to share, we come to download, we click on PNG just here, and then we want to choose this transparent background. Now please be aware that this transparent background feature is a Canva Pro feature. And we know this because we have this little crown icon there. But nonetheless, now we want to make sure we've got the right page enabled, which is page number 2. Then click done, and if we click download, when we go to open this, we will have our photo just in a circle and with a transparent background. So if we give that a few seconds, then if we click open, we can take a look, and there we go. We now have our photo in a circle here in Canva, or from Canva. So that's just how easy it is to make a photo a circle here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.